deck. Are you filming?
I am videoing our hike up the hill.
So here is the some kind of drainage ditch, right?
Yep.
Do we have can I see that? Do we have the why don't you put these in your pocketbook?
I have too many things in there. Somebody's flashlight is in there.
Yeah, sorry about that.
All right. Going up.
I like the multi-tiered thing here too. That's what I liked about that other house in Buckfield. Is the multi-tiered thing.
Yeah, that was a little too steep though, I think.
You could actually build stairs into this if you really want to. Timber stairs.
Yeah, it could be terraced or something, but I don't know if I'd bother.
Like weed plants everywhere here. Weed plants.
Yeah. Ooh, look at this. So pretty.
So there has to be an indication of the septic field up there someplace, right?
Well, yeah, what's this? It's like some paper landscape. Oh no, this is a rock. I thought it was paper. All right. What's that up there in the cage? Oh, all right. Really?
Putting an orchard up here.
Yeah, there's already an apple tree up here. It looks like it's
Yeah, actually this could be
dying.
really cute if you clear it all out and just put a few fruit trees up here.
Well, I like the fir trees too. Those are nice.
Have to do a tick check before we
Yeah. Was it somebody was saying that fir trees kill ticks?
what's wrong with these?
Yeah, I don't know.
Is that the beetle?
Oh, I wonder. I don't know. Huh. Everything else seems relatively healthy. Except that apple, but it looks wicked old. And it might be just the lower branches dying off. Normal. We got some goldenrod. Oh, wait a minute. Let me head out back here. Got some milkweed. Looks like some raspberries too. Stone wall. Do I hear voices? It's just the ghost. We should drive up the street.
Yeah. That's why I like the truck too. You can take that road all the way.
Ah, I'm thinking. Huh.
I wish we had that app that the realtors use.
Yeah.